Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority cordially invite you to the massive tree plantation program in coordination with Kadaimadai Pagudi Integrated Farmers Association, Public Welfare Trust and Valanatu Kanmani ஆய கட்டுதாரர்கள் சங்கம் and awareness outreach program under NALSA Justice Awareness for Grassroots Information and Transparency Initiative Scheme 2025 in coordination with Pudukkottai Municipal Corporation on Sunday 12th October 2025 in the august presence of Honorable Thiru Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Judge Madras High Court, Executive Chairman, Tamil Nadu State Legal Service Authority. Honorable Thiru Justice A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Honorable Thiru Justice M. Dandapani, Honorable Thiru Justice G.K. Ilandirayan, Judges Madras High Court, Members, Tamil Nadu State Legal Service Authority. Honorable Thiru Justice B. Pugalendi, Judge Madras High Court, Administrative Judge for Pudukkottai District. Honorable Thiru Justice N. Senthil Kumar, Judge Madras High Court, Member Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority. S. Balakrishnan, Member Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority. K. Purana Jaya Anand, Chairman, District Legal Service Authority. Principal, District Judge, Pudukkottai.